Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see how to append the data into the Google Sheet. It is nothing but storing the feedback form onto the Google Sheet. If you are new to our channel, we have created a playlist on n8n, that is nothing but low code or no code platform. We have already released from session 1 to session 15. These 15 videos we have released. Please watch this one without further delay. Now let us jump into the session. Now we can see the workflow, which is containing the two nodes. First one is on form submission. Now let me check this one. You can see authentication is none, form title is feedback form, and form description is also a feedback form. It can be considered as a customer feedback, and it is having the form elements. What is your name? That is element type is a text. What is your email? Element type you can see it as an email. And field name, please give us your feedback, which is having the drop down list, which is you can see great, good, neutral, bad. From the drop down you can select, and you can add one more field. Please leave a comment, which is element type is a text. So this respond when form is submitted. So these are the things we are collecting from the user. It is nothing but feedback form, customer feedback form. Now these things we are connecting onto the Google Sheet. So now let me open this one. First we need to connect with the credential. If we can open, you can see account connected. So authenticate redirect URL we need to take, and cloud console. From there we need to paste it, and you need to get the client ID and client secret. After getting these things, you need to sign up with the Google, where it will try to open all your account. Now I am selecting the second one because I have given the sheet, Google Sheet, in that continue, and I am giving the permission to grant. So this is connection successful. And after that you need to go to the here you can create a feedback like this. You can create a sheet and open this one, and you can give the names. You can give the names, column name, like I have given the name. Second one is the email. Third one is the rating. Fourth one will be the comment, and sheet name also I have given the feedback, and file name I have given as a feedback. Come over here and you can share, and you can get who is the owner and general access. So you can copy the link. The link is copied and done. Now let us move to our n8n workflow. Now you can come over here. From the resource you can give sheet within the document, and operation is the append row. You can see append row, clear, create, delete, append or update a row. So I have selected as append row. And from URL you can see, from URL you can copy paste, copy link, it is there. Now I am trimming or removing the unwanted and keeping over here. And once this has been selected, you can from list it automatically select this, and mapping columns mode, map each column manually. So it will try to read the column name from this Google Sheet, and this is the first form. Okay, value to send, name, email, rating and comment. Now I need to take over here and drag and drop here. Now I need to take and map here. Now I need to take and map here. So these are the things we try to do. Okay, now let us execute the step and we can see. Now execute the flow and it will come over here. I am giving as a Naveen, and email I am giving naveen@gmail.com, and feedback is giving great, and leave a comment excellent. Now scroll down and submit. After this one you can close, and now you can see on form submission node is executed and Google Sheet node is also executed. Now I am going on to the Google Sheet. You can come and see the feedback, and you can see the name is Naveen, email and rating and comment. So like this you can do. Now what I am doing, I am going over here and click this one. There is a test URL and production URL is there. Now I am copying the production URL, test URL and production URL from any one of the website. You can integrate it, and this nothing but on form submission window will be open. So it is giving a provision we can copy wherever we want from our website. It is nothing but a customer feedback collection form, and it automatically store on our Google Drive. If this video has given some value to it, if this video has provided some knowledge to you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Your one like, your one comment, your one subscription tells the YouTube to recommend this video to many other those who are in need. That also gives me motivation and inspiration to do more videos in this platform. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section, and please do practice, then only you can learn more. And we try to see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.